My name's Dustin Aldrich. I'm one of the owners and the creators of UTV.com. Side-by-side owners are always looking for ways to improve their experience. New functionality is high on that list. With our communication systems, when you get the headset and put it on, it's like putting shooting earmuffs on. You're going to knock your ambient noise down about 25 decibels, and it's inside of that quieter environment that is protecting your hearing. Normally, when you go riding without communication systems, you're sitting there quietly and occasionally going, hey, did you see that? What? With our systems, there's none of that. The system really eliminates the isolation that naturally is created. Especially if you have kids, they're always reacting to new things, seeing a deer, seeing a bear for the first time. You get to hear that reaction and it's not erased.